you, welcome to today's video. I'm Brittany for those of you who are new, and this video is my nighttime cleaning routine in the kitchen. So subscribe for more content like this and let's get into this video.
Look at Mommy's little helper. You gonna help me, Swiffer? You want me to put a Clorox pad on there so you can get the floor clean? My cutie. So I'm really excited today because my Grove order came in the mail and a sweet little message on it says, "Stay healthy, Brit." I thought that was such a cute message. I'm really excited about what's come in this box because I haven't been able to find Clorox wipes or disinfecting wipes since the pandemic began. You guys know that I bought the big Clorox wipes right before the pandemic began. Well, I only have one of those left, so I needed more, and I hadn't been able to find them in any store. Home Depot, Lowe's, I mean, you name it, Staples, Office Max, Office Depot, like nobody had any Clorox wipes or 7th generation wipes. So I was actually able to find some of the 7th generation wipes at Grove Collaborative's website. So I was really excited about that. I picked up the 35 count and also a 70 count. They only let me get one of each because obviously they're in such high demand. But then I also bought the set that comes with 35 wet wipes, disinfecting wet wipes, the disinfectant spray. This is another item that has been really hard for me to find, so I was so excited to find that it came in this little set. And then another part of that set was the 7th generation hand soap, which also washes bacteria away. So got that. And then I also picked up another one of the disinfectant sprays because they've been so hard to find. So I knew since I was able to find one, I better go ahead and grab one in addition to the one that was in the set because that's like a separate order. And then they sent me for free the spiced pumpkin multi-service everyday cleaner along with dish soap, the hand soap as well, and then another one of the walnut and cellulose scrubber. Something else that I picked up were these Bath and Body Works soaps. I was telling you guys that Bath and Body Works is running 4 for $20 special and I think 6 for $26 on hand soaps right now. So I picked up a scent for every bathroom and sink. I got this sweater weather one. I'm not too crazy about the sweater weather candle. I know a lot of people like that for Christmas, or is that the flannel? Either one. I wasn't really crazy about them in the candle scent, but in the soap, for some reason, I really like it. So I got the soap, and then I got the Perfect Autumn soap as well. This one smells really good. I keep this one in the kitchen. And then I got the pumpkin apple. They had a cinnamon pumpkin, but it smelled too sweet, ironically, and I didn't like that one. This one smells pretty good. It smells better than that one to me, so I picked that one up. And then I also got this Harvest Gathering. You guys know this was one of the candles that I loved for fall, so I picked it up in the scent as well. And this one actually does have notes of clove in it. Let me know in the comments if you guys like any of the other scents for fall. I definitely love this one, so this is the one that I'm keeping in the kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and replace out the lemon verbena scent that I've been using for the spiced pumpkin, and then I'm going to go ahead and start getting the kitchen clean. Look at this one, always in the way. He just wants to be in the kitchen while I'm doing stuff. And yes, I do have a pink rug in my kitchen. I did not buy it for the kitchen, but the size fits perfectly all around where I need a rug in the kitchen, and it's so comfortable. But this one, you're just having a good time, aren't you? Okay, Mommy's got to keep cleaning.
first I'm starting with putting up all of the clean dishes so that the dishwasher will be open to receive the dirty dishes that I need to put in there from the sink. And I'm just going to do that, and then I'll get started on the dirty dishes. So ignore the Olive Garden bag. I'll have a whole explanation when I declutter this cabinet in a future video. So I'm trying to get into the process of not rinsing before I put in the dishwasher. I'm really just doing that out of habit. It's not something that's necessary because the dishwasher cleans the dishes really good even when food is caked on. This particular dishwasher, which is the LG, it looks for food that is caked on so it can clean it. So if you rinse your dishes first, it doesn't really clean as well. So it's best not to rinse your dishes, and I'm really trying to work on that. Plus, it conserves water if you don't. So this wok I just recently picked up from World Market, and I've really only used it about probably a total of 10 times, and that's just because I cook a lot, and that's in the span of a couple of weeks. But I've been looking for the proper way to clean it because you're not supposed to use dish soap. But since I'm using Mrs. Meyer's, which is mostly plant-based, and I feel like it shouldn't compromise it like regular dish soap would, but I am still looking for the proper way to care for this type of wok. I've been researching online and I found some helpful tips, but if you have some too, leave them in the comments below.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the
tip that I recently found out is that if you're trying to quickly get rid of bubbles in the sink, run the water and turn on the garbage disposal, and the garbage disposal sucks them right down. I don't know why I didn't know this, but I recently just found out, and it's so much quicker.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
For those of you who recently saw my kitchen gadget haul, these gloves, I found a great use for them, as you can see, and this was recommended by Love Meg. I saw her doing this, and it's just the perfect thing to use them for. So I've been using them to clean the sink, and I'm so happy with them now.
We both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time.
As you can see, for the stove, I'm using the Easy Off Stovetop Cleaner. I love this cleaner for the stove. It is one of the best stove cleaners that I've seen yet for me. And I usually spray it on there and let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then I'll start to scrub it off and everything comes right off. And I love how it comes out really polished. After I scrub it down really good and remove any food particles, I'll normally go back over it with a wipe to get off all of the rest of the grime. And then at the end, I'll go over it with a paper towel just to make sure that it's completely dry. And then I'm going to use my stainless steel cleaner to clean the stainless steel part of the stovetop. And sometimes I'll also clean the stovetop racks in the sink in like some borax and bleachy water. But I usually only do that when I'm deep cleaning the kitchen, and I recently just did that. So I didn't feel a need to do them again because they're already clean.
No saying sorry, it might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight.
So I picked up these onion, avocado, and lemon food savers for $3 each at TJ Maxx. I was really excited to find all three of these because it just so happened that all three I have in the fridge but stored in little baggies. But I needed food savers especially for them, so when I saw them at the store, I was like, I have to get these. You can see on the countertop where we've been eating at the bar, and there are food particles left behind, and of course other things like dust and stuff accumulate. And this is something I actually do like to do every night just because I'm so happy with my new countertops, and I just want to keep them clean and polished and looking really nice. But I do have to be cautious about what I'm using on them, which is why I'm using Mrs. Meyer's, because it is a plant-based product. And I actually enjoy wiping down the counters. Looking back at them shining in the light at night, it feels worth it.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never back it down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say any more than desire? More than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away.
So when I was a kid, my mom used to always cut up lemon and put it down the garbage disposal, and she would run that. I still do that to this day. It makes the garbage disposal in the sink smell amazing. But recently, I've learned that if you put essential oils down there, it also helps it smell amazing as well. I got this tidbit from This Crazy Life YouTube channel. Another is that if you run ice in the garbage disposal, it keeps the blade sharp. And I got that from the Millionaire House YouTube channel. And I love good advice like that, so if you have any, please share them in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you are new to this channel for more content like this, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful. Mwah.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger.